Hey everyone, welcome back to the Beginners Calisthenics series. If you're new to this series, this is all about building strength, endurance, and control using simple, no equipment routines. In our previous videos, we have covered warm ups, foundational moves, and core burners. And today, we're bringing it all together with a full body routine designed for beginners. You will target every major muscle group while improving your overall fitness. Let's get right into it.
Always start with a good warm up. You can start with high knees. Bring your knees up toward your chest while pumping your arms. This will wake up the legs and raise that heart rate. Do this for 30 seconds. After this, go for arm circles. This loosens up your shoulders. Keep those circles really controlled. Do this for 15 seconds forward and 15 seconds backward. Now let's jump into the world's greatest stretch. Step into a lunge, twist your torso, and reach up. This opens up your hips, chest, and back. Do this for 30 seconds each side. And that will be all for the warm up. Now, here's the plan. For each movement, aim for 3 sets with the reps I'll suggest. If you're new to calisthenics, take breaks between exercises and don't rush. If a movement feels too challenging, don't worry. I'll show regressions for each. Let's start with push-ups. It works your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Start in a plank position, lower your chest toward the ground, and push back up. Keep your elbows at a 45-degree angle. If this feels difficult, drop your knees and slowly reach the floor. If you face any challenge understanding the form, do not forget to watch the third video in this series. You can also tap on the card on the top right. You can also use an incline to get very comfortable with the push-up form first. Aim for 8 to 12 reps per set. Target 2 to 3 sets. Now let's jump into bodyweight squats. They work your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and core. Lower your hips as if sitting in a chair, keeping your weight on your heels, and push back up to stand. If this feels uncomfortable, either hold on to a wall or keep a chair for balance. Also, make sure to keep your chest lifted. Aim for 10 to 15 reps per set. Target 2 to 3 sets. Now let's focus on our back and biceps. Grab a towel, find a sturdy grill or an anchor point, loop it around it. Now hold the ends of the towel and lean back. Make sure that your body is in one straight line. Pull your chest towards the towel, bending your elbows and squeezing your shoulder blades. Stand closer to the grill to make it slightly easier, or lean far back to make it challenging. Perform 10 to 15 reps per set. Target 2 to 3 sets. Superman pulses. They primarily focus on lower back, glutes, and shoulders. Lie face down. Lift your arms, chest, and legs off the ground and pulse gently. If the full movement feels too difficult, lift just your upper body or legs separately. Perform 10 to 15 reps per set for this as well and target 2 to 3 sets. Now let's jump on to the final exercise, hollow body hold, which primarily focuses on core strength and midline stability. Lie on your back. Keep your lower back pressed into the floor. Now lift your shoulders and legs off the ground and hold. Bring your arms at your sides for an easier version. You can also bend your knees to make it even easier. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds for 2 to 3 sets. Now, let's not forget the cool down process. It helps improve flexibility, relaxes your muscles, and aids in recovery. Cat and cow stretch. Start in a tabletop position with your hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale as you arc your back, lifting your head and tailbone towards the ceiling. Then exhale as you round your spine, tucking your chin and drawing your belly button toward your spine. Move slowly through these motions, connecting each movement to your breath. From here, gently push your hips back until they rest on your heels. Stretch your arms out in front of you, lowering your forehead to the floor. Relax here and take slow, deep breaths. Feel the stretch in your back, hips, and shoulders. This is a great way to release tension after a workout. Seated forward fold. Sit down with your legs extended straight out in front of you. Keep your back tall as you reach your arms forward and try to touch your toes, or as far as feels comfortable to you. You should feel a gentle stretch in your hamstrings and lower back. Breathe deeply as you hold this pose. Figure 4 stretch. Lie on your back with both knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Cross your right ankle over your left thigh, creating a figure 4 shape. Gently pull your leg toward your chest, feeling a stretch in your glutes and hips. Switch sides after 30 seconds. And that's a wrap. Remember to take a moment and appreciate your workout today.
If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to check out other videos in the series. And do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that you don't miss out on the upcoming videos. It was amazing having you guys once again. Thank you so much for all the support and love. Have a wonderful time. See you next time.